welcome to our channel Brain Thoughts. This is the fourth tutorial of SQL and watch till the end to learn about string functions. And if you want to download SQL, I will give the link in the description box. As you all know, there are three types of functions in SQL: mathematical functions, date and time functions, and string functions. Mathematical and date and time functions have already been covered in the third tutorial of SQL. Now, in the fourth tutorial, we will learn about string functions. First string function is char. Char returns character for given ASI code. Each letter is given an ASI code. So let me show you. For example, select char and we have to give any ASI code. For example, 34, any number. So it gives double inverted commas. It means double inverted commas have the ASI code 34. For example, select char 4 5. So here it shows a dash. Select char and let's suppose 4. So here it gives question mark. These are the ASI codes of these letters. So our second string function is lower. It returns string in small letters. For example, select lower inverted commas, then any word. Let's suppose India. INDIA. Inverted comma close and bracket close. So it gives India in lowercase letters. So it turns uppercase letters into lowercase letters. You can see. Next function is upper function. Uppercase. Select upper bracket inverted commas and any word. For suppose India. Bracket close, semicolon. So it gives India in uppercase letters. It converts lowercase into uppercase and this one converts uppercase into lowercase. So these were lower and uppercase functions. So our next function is ltrim function. It removes leading spaces. For example, select ltrim, then bracket inverted commas. I've given some spaces and BANANA banana. Bracket close and semicolon. Then it will remove all the spaces and show the main word. For example, I have given spaces here, but it will remove the spaces and show only banana. It is used to remove the spaces in the left side as it is ltrim. Next is rtrim. It will remove the spaces from the right side. Select rtrim bracket comma BANANA and spaces comma bracket close and semicolon. So it will show banana and remove all the spaces from the right side. So our next function is instring function. It searches one string in another string and returns position. If not found, it returns 0. For example, select in string and bracket, then you have to give a word. For example, I am giving dictionary. Then you have to use comma and next inverted commas, and you have to give another word. So I am giving TION. This is not any word but part of dictionary, and bracket close semicolon. So it gives the position where the this word which I am given is starting in dictionary. It is starting from the fourth place as D1, I second, C third, and T fourth. So TION starting from the fourth letter of dictionary, it shows this. And if we give it, for example, select INSTR bracket comma dictionary comma PUT, then it will show 0 as there is put word is nowhere in the word dictionary. So our next function is length function. It returns number of characters in a string. For example, select length, and then you have to give a word. For example, I'm giving maths bracket close semicolon. So it gives 5. That means there are 5 letters in the word you have given. And for example, select length, and if I give it spaces, then it will show 7. That means it will also include the spaces, and it will include them as the number of characters you have given. So our next function is left function. It returns a number of characters from the beginning of a string. For example, select left and brackets, and then you have to give a word. For example, dictionary and inverted comma close. Then you have to give a numeric value. For example, any number you want, you have to give. Example 3 bracket close semicolon. So what it does is that the number you have given to it, for example, I have given 3 here, it will show 3 characters from the word from the left side of the word. For it means that DIC with the 3 letters from the left side of the word. So it shows DIC here. So our last function is write function. It returns a number of characters from a string from the ending. For example, select write bracket, and then you have to give a word. Suppose dictionary, then comma, and then you have to give a number. For example, 4 I've given semicolon. Then it shows NARY. So it shows it because we have given a number 4. So the number of letters it will show will be obviously 4. And it will show from the right of the word, that this is the right side from the ending. So it will show 4 words from the ending. For example, YRANN. These were the 4 words that were on the right side. So the right functions shows a number of characters from the ending of a string. So you have to always give a word and a numeric value in it. The numeric value should not be more than the characters in the word. So that is all for today, and in this series we have done string functions. That's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if